Kuya. Kuya natanggal. Wow! Mangga na. Mangga. You know that I love mangga.
Wala ka. Dili ako maglayan akong tiyan.
Pasimuto na tayo imong vlog. Imong vlog. Yo.
Aslom?
Okay.
Pila ko lami siya kay base sa yung color. Kato ng tabang ra.
Hindi ko mukha ko na yung makasayaw. Di ka na yun. Sige daw, B.
Saan dibuhat?
Nagtuon.
Okay, wala. Yan. What did you eat? What's the icon?
Siomai, and we have chicharon, and angpao.
Ato.
Hi, Ate Chef!
Hi, Ate Shi. Oh, ka-video na sad ko.
Yeah.
What can you say sa Mordero? This is the menu. Let's get it. It's a mango shake, guys, and this is their mini smash burger with fries. And their fries is a real potato. Yeah.
Sobrang sarap ng kaninang pagkain. I-rate na ako. 10/10.
So, shout out.
Shout out sa iyang bana o iyang askuha ni Sofia.
Okay, that's the Nang storya niya ng kamay ng brushing. Abot lang ng pagkaon na mahulog. Nanihil ako nagkaskon. Ginampat sila ng sir. So this is the burger. This is the fries. You eat, you swallow.
Wow.
Swallow.
How is it?
The butter and the sauce are balanced. See, this is mayonnaise, it's not cheese. Oh, social kaya guys.
First, di mo siya siyang slice.
Oh, English.
Introduce yourself first.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself to the patient.
Hi, good morning. So first thing to do is you have to slice your burger. And then, yung mga ibutangin mo ang
You smash it because it's mini smash burger.
yeah. And then, you put it in your mouth.
And then,
Yung mo siya i-taste. You swallow.
how do you swallow? How do you swallow?
15 plus 10. 25. Oo, kita ko na lang niya. Kamu na baka guys, kusog kayo rin padalaga niyang gisakyan. Iya ko rin pang kuya. Sirit tayo. Ay, yung papa. Aerox ko. Aerox ko, no? Aerox na vlog.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye!
Ay, sa vlog, ready na.
Bye, guys!